Attention, your health is in danger. The human body is an incredible mechanism. That is, your body finds many different ways to tell you that it lacks some vitamins. The most important thing is to realize these symptoms over time and know how to treat them, before they lead to some important diseases. One of these symptoms are cracks in the corners of the mouth. Here are the most common causes. 1. Lack of vitamin B2. Some diseases of the stomach, usually accompanied by an increase in the secretion of gastric acid that destroys the lining of the lips. 3. Iron deficiency anemia. 4. The bacteria called Candida, which in the opinion of many leads to cancer. 5. Bad sanitary conditions and bad oral hygiene. 6. All these are signs that you are probably becoming a diabetic. If you have experienced some of the aforementioned factors, this is undoubtedly a sign of lack of iron, zinc and B vitamins, such as niacin, B3, riboflavin, B2, and vitamin B12 deficiency. However, you do not have to worry, because we have the perfect solution for you. The solution to your problem is quite simple. All you have to do is eat more of the following products. 1. Tofu. 2. Flax seeds. 3. Cheese. 4. Chard and spinach. 5. Peanuts. 6. Dried apricots. 7. Asparagus. 8. All kinds of seeds. 9. And pulses. One must also do is combine foods such as broccoli and kale, which are extremely rich in vitamin C. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.